This dance is called Beautiful Day. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, beginner line dance. Starting on our right foot, we're going to do a bit of a shuffle step forward. So step right forward, left beside the right, right forward, brush the left through. And with the brush, we're just making that gentle contact with the ground, with the ball of the foot. That is your brush. We're going to repeat that with the left foot leading. So step the left forward, right beside the left, left forward, and brush the right. So we're doing right shuffle, brush, left shuffle, brush, all single count timing steps. Do that once more, off on the right. 7, 8. Step, close, step, brush, step, close, step, brush. Step the right forward, pivot yourself a quarter turn to the left. Into an extended weave, travelling to the left. So we'll start by crossing the right over the left, step the left to the side, cross the left behind the right, step the right to the side, cross the right over the left, step the left to the side. So that's our extended weave. That section once more then, step pivot, off on the right. 7, 8, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side. Let's add that to the top. Shuffle steps forward. 7, 8, right shuffle, brush, left shuffle, brush, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side. Rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left, step the right to the side and hold. Rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, step the left to the side and hold. So that little section once more then, rocking back on the right. 7, 8, back, rock, side, hold, back, rock, side, hold. Let's add that to the top. Right shuffle, half on the right. 7, 8, right shuffle, brush, left shuffle, brush, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, back, rock, side, hold, back, rock, side, hold. Now we're going to add on a rocking chair. Now normally with a rocking chair we'll rock forwards and then we'll rock backwards. We're doing this one in reverse. So we're going to rock back on the right to start with, recover your weight on the left. Then rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left. So it's a reverse rocking chair. With this one we're going to add on another back rock, recover the weight on the left, stop the right beside the left, stop the left in place. And with your stops, remember to go through the heel of the foot, don't go down flat-footed, take some of those vibrations out. So that little section once more then, that reverse rocking chair, rocking back on the right. 7, 8, back, rock, forward rock, back, rock, stomp, stomp. End of dance when we get to that point, so let's put it all together. Right shuffle, right foot leading. 7, 8, right shuffle, brush, left shuffle, brush, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, back, rock, side, hold, back, rock, side, hold, back, rock, forward rock, back, rock, stomp, stomp. So that is your dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Right shuffle, right foot leading. 7, 8, right shuffle, brush, left shuffle, brush, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, back, rock, side, hold, back, rock, side, hold, back, rock, forward rock, back, rock, stomp, stomp, right shuffle, brush, step, shuffle, brush, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, back, rock, side, hold, back, rock, side, hold, back, rock, forward, rock, back, rock, stop, stop, right, shuffle, brush, left, shuffle, brush, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, back, rock, side, hold, back, rock, side, hold, back, rock, forward, rock, back, rock, stop, stop. So that is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right shuffle, brush, left shuffle, brush. Step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, back, rock, side, back, rock, side, back, rock, forward, rock, back, rock, stop, stop, right shuffle, left shuffle, brush. Step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, back, rock, side, back, rock, side, back, rock, forward, rock, back, rock, stop, stop, right shuffle, brush, left shuffle, brush, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, back, rock, side, back, rock, forward, rock, back, rock, stop, stop, right shuffle, brush, left shuffle, brush, step, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, side, back, rock, side, back, rock, forward, rock, back, rock, stop, stop, shuffle.
And the feeling's good.
Pivot.
Riding down the coastal with the drop-down hood.
Back
Listening
rock.
to the Spanish guitar playing on the
Rocking chair.
radio.
Shuffles.
Nothing bothers me today.
Pivot.
Nothing that you gotta say.
Back rock.
Make me go back and miss out on
Rocking chair.
tomorrow. It's a beautiful day.
Shuffles. Pivot.
Just spending time with all
Back
the
rock.
ones you love.
Rocking chair.
A beautiful day.
Pivot.
Summer breezes and
Back
blue
rock.
skies above.
Rocking chair.
Beautiful day. Just spending time with all the ones you love. A beautiful day. Summer breezes and blue skies above. A beautiful day. Summer breezes and blue skies above.
Hope you managed that well.